guys, welcome back. So we're out again this morning, another 90-something degree day. It's going to be like this all week apparently, so real hot streak coming in. So we're up here, we've started nailing in some boards for our first few walls up here. So that's what we're going to be doing all day, is laying everything out on the deck, nailing it together, and then we'll start lifting up some of our exterior walls up here on the second floor. So stay tuned and I'll show you what we're working on. Okay, so here's the first wall that we've already gotten nailed together. As you can see, there's a window. So we've got a header in, and we've got cripples above and below, and then our studs as well. So this one's all nailed in and ready to be lifted up, but we're gonna get a bunch of these walls built on the deck and nailed together before we lift a whole bunch right in a row. So this is what we're working on. This is what each wall should look like, where we've got all our studs, and if there's a window, we've got our header and our cripples and jack studs and king studs, and put all together. So that's what we're working on right now. As you can see over here, he's nailing in another one of these walls. Looks exactly the same. It's got a window in the middle going in this cantilever over here. So that's what we're working on.